Come on, Noah.
Right.
Keep going.
Yeah, steady now.
Don't give up. Oh, you definitely got something.
Good stuff, well done.
Whoa. I see it.
Yeah, can you...
Yay.
A mackerel?
2 of them.
2 mackerels.
Noah.
So
Oh,
good.
Daddy.
Great job.
I got something.
You got something?
Oh my God.
Come on.
Yeah.
Keep going.
What is it?
Probably a mackerel. There he is.
A big mackerel.
Oh, there's 2.
2 big mackerels.
Is it still there or is it gone?
Still there.
Oh, hey.
Got one.
Good job. Look at that.
That's a scad.
Yeah.
Just saying that you can have
Just saying.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hey. Another fish.
Yeah, definitely something.
Ready?
Yeah.
I think I got a fish.
Yeah. Cat.
Yeah, 100%. Oh, I got 2. Oh, yay.
2 small ones.
That's not that bad.
That's handy because that's white.
Oh, he came off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go, look. Another catch.
Another catch.
We're losing count now. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Oh, I see him.
Ooh.
Up the mackerel, is it?
Yeah, a couple.
And them looks there, is your tea.
3 of them.
3
3.
At least.
and 4.
4. Oh my God.
Oh, that's
5.
a big scad down there, actually, in the back part. Here, let me grab more. There we go. Oh, that scad there, he's decent enough.
Oh my God, that's a nice mackerel as well.
What the hell?
Oh my God.
5 mackerels.
That's unbelievable.
You got 7 fish.
Feed the whole of that.
Big on. We were Cookstown and then.
Ah, but before.
A tower. Oh, years ago. Yeah, tower, yeah. Can I keep him or throw him back in there?
Keep them.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll invite you back up and let them.
Well done.
I'll use them.
Nice. Come on, Noah.
Okay.
Come on. You got something?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. 1,
Fish.
2. Yeah. Good job.